Was your Form 2290 filing rejected? Don't worry, we're here to help fix some of the most common mistakes. Incorrect EIN? Use your current EIN, not your Social Security number, an old EIN, or an unassociated business name. Wrong VIN? Double-check each character. Every vehicle identification number is unique. File twice? Duplicate filings can cause issues. Review your IRS confirmation details, then contact the IRS to correct the error and remove one filing. Wrong tax year or month? Check the rejection notice, refile with the correct details, and pay any additional tax if needed. Still need help? Use eForm2290.com's File by Phone service by calling us at 866-881-6767 and we'll guide you every step of the way. Correct these errors and get your 2290 filing back on track. Like and subscribe for more useful tips and updates.